One of the biggest things that catches UK sole traders and side hustlers out is VAT, because most people don't realise it's based on a rolling 12-month period and not the tax year. So I've added a VAT checker into the business invoice management system that automatically checks your rolling 12-month taxable turnover based on the invoices you've issued, excluding your cancelled ones. Now, instead of guessing or waiting until your accountant tells you it's too late, you can see where you're at in real time so you don't fall into the VAT trap.